Welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz of Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we are doing a different type of mystery unboxing. This is a mystery box that I just received from POSHMARK. Now, I've been, I guess, a member. I don't know what you call it, but I have had a POSHMARK account for several years now. I have both purchased and sold items on POSHMARK. I never knew that they had mystery boxes. Never. That thought never even crossed my mind until I was watching Tara Lynn's channel and she received one as a gift to talk about on her channel. I will link her video down below where she discusses these boxes. So the woman's name is Amy. I don't know Amy. I just ordered my first box. And she has 4 different price points of boxes, and I believe you're supposed to get double what you paid for. So again, it's mystery. You don't know what it is. The items, from my understanding, all come from Sephora. So there could be any number of things in this box. I have no idea what's inside. It is like legit taped. No one's getting into this thing. It's going to take a while to open. But you get double what you paid for, and the woman who sells these keeps a list of who purchases it and what she gives them, so that if you repurchase another box, you don't get the same item, which I think is really, really cool. I will say that she does this twice a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays, right at 2 o'clock Eastern time. I've been kind of looking at these for like the past month, and they sell out within seconds. So if you want one, you have to be on POSHMARK, ready to go at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If you've never heard of POSHMARK or are new to POSHMARK, I do have a referral code that I will leave down below. You get $10 off. So it's pretty cool. I don't know. So I'm really excited to see what is in here. I have no idea what I'm going to get. It could be stuff, you know, everything that I already have. Or it could be all stuff that's new to me. So, as you guys know, and I said with my Beautylish unboxing, I really love mystery boxes. I love the excitement of it, the anticipation of what am I going to get, because it is a surprise. So, I think that that's really cool. And I'm excited to dig into this box. So, let's go. All right, so I've opened the box. There's like these little air packs and a bubble envelope to kind of secure all of the goods that are inside. And then when you open it, it looks like this. So ignore my box. I completely destroyed it while I was opening it. So there it is. You get a handwritten letter. It says, "Thank you for your purchase." This is a cute little, a little note there. And then a handwritten note, which, I mean, I don't even know who does that anymore. I mean, so that's really sweet. All right, so there's just a little handwritten card that says, "Thank you for your purchase. Your $149 mystery box is valued at approximately $338, so now I don't have to do the guesswork. The Sonia Kashuk brushes are free gifts. So an additional $43 value for some brushes on top of the 338. So I'm so excited. I'm really, really excited. Okay. So again, you have all this kind of paper and stuff. So we're going to dig right past that for the good stuff. All right. So we have some Invisibobble like hair bands, which I've never used these. My stepdaughters have some of these like little rubber ones, but I've never used them. I'm told that they're really good for your hair and they don't like leave creases and stuff in it. So I'm excited for that. And these are the brushes. Look how cute they come wrapped. So we'll open these. So there's 4 new brushes. And these are all like Poshmark sells, people sell like used clothing, or not used, but you know, worn clothing and stuff that you are outgrown or you don't like. They also, you know, there's new stuff on here. So just so you know, all the makeup and stuff is brand new, because that was a question that I had. I was like, are people putting together mystery boxes of makeup that's been opened? But it's not. It's all new. Yeah. I mean, I had questions. I've never heard of mystery boxes on Poshmark before. All right, so I have a Sephora Argan hand mask. So it's for your hands as opposed to your face. So those are fun. Hand gloves, 1 pair. So all the boxes, all the stuff is bubble wrapped. And in here is a price list, which I won't open because I wanted to open up all the stuff and see what I got. So literally everything is wrapped. And it's all like love, kind of like Valentine-y, spring is around the corner type wrapping. Okay, so I think that is it. All right, so the first thing is a Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable Liquid Eyeshadow. So I have not tried anything from Rare Beauty. It didn't necessarily interest me, but I will definitely try it. So what shade is this? Merely Rose. And so this is a liquid eyeshadow. Okay. I will try that. Oh my God, you guys. I got a Gucci lipstick. Holy cow. I hope it's a color I like. So this is the satin formula and it's Painted Veil. I can't believe I got Gucci. I love Gucci. Their lipsticks are really nice. And it's a perfect nude. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm happy. All right, I'm happy. I got Gucci. Okay, what else did we get? Huda Beauty Diamond Balm Sparkly Lip Balm. And this is in shade Seductress. So this is also something that I have never tried. Ooh, look at that. So it's just really pretty sheer with just a hint of sparkle. All right, we will look at all the price list for everything once we're done. What do we have? Lancome Lash Lifting Volume Mascara. I was just telling someone today that I haven't tried Lancome in years. It's been years. But that I really wanted to because I keep hearing such good things about it. So this is the Lash Lifting Mascara. I'm so excited. So this is the container. This is amazing. This is really awesome. All right, next up is the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer Base Control. So this says, for use after skincare and before makeup, apply a small amount to the face. So this is a primer. I've used their eye primer. It works really, really well. I will say I don't use it very often because it makes my eyelids matte and I like a little bit of sheen or a little sparkle in it, so I don't use it. But I am very happy to try this and I don't have it. So we are on a roll here. I don't have anything yet. I don't have repeats of anything that's already in my collection. All right, so now I'm gonna use the scissors and cut open. The next 4 products are all bubble wrapped together. Ooh, Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. I think I do have this. I'm pretty sure I do. Hold on and let me look, because if I do have it, I don't want to open it. All right, so I have mine, which says it's the Ambient Lighting Palette, which is what this says, but I think that they're different shades. So this is mine, and I did get mine at Sephora. And then, so I am going to open this. I hope it's, the shades don't look to be the same. Yeah, they are different. Oh yeah, definitely different shades. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'm excited because that is something that I don't have. Very similar, but I don't actually have it. All right, this we're going to open up next. All right, so this is Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes. It's a complexion-inspired eyeshadow palette. Now, I have never used anything from this brand. So I don't know. I can't tell you much about it because I don't have anything from this brand. I don't know if I like the brand. I don't know if I don't know. I'm not gonna open this because I'm not sure that I will, if I'll keep this or put it in a giveaway. But I want to look first. Ooh, Aether Beauty Mini Crystal Palette. So again, not something that I own. And I'm not sure if this is eyeshadow or highlighter. 4 cosmic inspired shades in shimmer matte metallic finishes that dazzle your eyes. Okay, so it's definitely an eye palette. So those are really, really pretty colors. So this I probably would keep because I am interested in this. It's like a hard cardboard packaging. And last but not least, we have some Charlotte Tilbury. Let's see if this is a quad that I already have. And this is a brand new quad. And I do have it, but that's okay. Because this would make a great giveaway because it's brand new. So this is the Hollywood Flawless Eye Filter. Brand new eyeshadows in the shade Diva Lights. So I do have this shade. I did a dedicated video when I first I got 2 of these new eye quads. And oddly enough, this is the quad that I liked the most. So let me just grab mine so I can show you. All right, so this is what the quad looks like. You've got 4 different shadows and they are really, really, really pretty on the eyes. All right, so I think I have unwrapped everything. You guys, I'm really, really happy. I'm very, very impressed. I will definitely be picking up another one of these because this is really, really awesome. These are all great products. I'm very excited to use them and it's just really, really awesome. So I'm very happy with all of my gifts and I can't wait to use them for you guys and do some more and do some videos. I'm curious, what are you guys most interested in seeing? I want to make sure that I put up the video that you most would like to see me using. Which product catches your eye and you want to see me put to the test? And I'm curious, have any of you guys ever bought one of these mystery boxes before? Because this was something that I had never heard of until I watched that video. And you do have to be quick. If you want one and you are interested, you need to be quick. Because they will sell out immediately. I will say that her customer service was great. I got an email as soon as the items had shipped with all of the tracking information. As soon as I purchased the item, I got a little comment saying, you know, congratulations, I'm putting together your box. It'll be out soon. So the customer service was phenomenal. I'm extremely impressed. And like I said, I will definitely be purchasing another one. I know I mentioned it, but they do have 4 different price points. The highest is $199. So you'd be getting over $400 worth of makeup. Like, that's a lot. And then I don't know from there. I know there's a $149, $125, and I don't know what else. maybe $99. So 4 different price points. So whatever fits your budget, you can, you know, you can get. And like I said, you're getting double the makeup that you pay for. I don't know how she does this. I really don't, because, you know, the Charlotte Tilbury is brand new, like brand new. I ordered mine at the end of December. I didn't even get my video up until a few weeks ago, beginning of January. And she said also that this Lancome mascara is brand new also. So it's not like you're even getting old products that have been sitting on the shelves and are on sale, you know, final sale type thing. These are new releases. So like I said, I don't know how she does it, but I think that this is awesome. So I just wanted to let you guys know. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.